If you take showers and baths as regularly as you should, you'll probably encounter soap scum. It's one of the biggest ironies that our cleaning and personal hygiene efforts should actually cause grungy residue to be left behind on our appliances. The stubborn, scaly deposits build up when the fatty acids, talc, and other ingredients in washing soap react with the minerals in hard water. To make things even worse, soap scum also contains body oil, dirt, bits of dead skin, and bacteria. In short, it's not a good idea to leave it sitting around for too long, especially as if soap scum is left to harden. It's incredibly difficult to remove from your tub or shower. Luckily, there are plenty of methods you can try out to remove soap scum. And you don't need to pay out of pocket for an expensive commercial cleaner to get the job done either. Here are some of our favorite tried and tested approaches to removing soap scum that should have your shower or bathtub sparkling in no time. 1. Baking soda and vinegar. Anyone who knows anything about household cleaning will have a good stock of baking soda to use in all manner of emergencies. To use this product to remove soap scum, it's most effective when paired with vinegar. Pour a cup of baking soda into a small bowl and add enough white vinegar to make a paste. The mixture will fizz like an impressive science experiment, so give it time to settle down. Once the mixture has stopped fizzing, dip a sponge into the solution and apply it to your shower and tub. Leave it to set for about 15 minutes before wiping the surfaces down with a non-scratch sponge. Finish by rinsing thoroughly with water and dry with a soft towel. 2. Vinegar and dish detergent. Vinegar can be used with almost anything as a cleaner thanks to its acidic properties, which help it to cut through tough grease, grime, and mineral deposits. You can use vinegar with dish detergent for a surefire remedy against soap scum on your bathroom surfaces. Combine equal amounts of vinegar and water into a spray bottle, then add 1 tablespoon of dish detergent. Spray the solution on the soap scum and let it sit for 15 minutes. When you return, scrub the surface with a soft bristle scrub brush and rinse with hot water. Dry thoroughly with a soft towel. 3. Pumice Stone. If you have a porcelain tub, you can use a wet pumice stone to remove soap scum, but make sure to proceed carefully. You can probably imagine that an improper technique or a dry stone could cause all sorts of damage to your surfaces, especially glass doors or tiles. To give this method a try, dampen both the pumice stone and the surface you're working on. Then very gently rub the wet stone over the soap scum. As the soap scum transfers to the pumice stone, use a soft bristle brush to clean it off, then continue the process. If a pumice stone isn't enough, or you're dealing with a surface with very bad soap scum, you can try scraping it off with a razor. Again, be very careful not to scratch your surfaces. That's a lot more difficult to fix. So, how can you prevent soap scum in the first place? Soap scum isn't actually an inevitable aspect of showering or taking a bath, and there are things you can do yourself to prevent it from forming in the first place. This involves 1. Using liquid soap, which is far less likely to leave sticky residue than bar soap. It's the talc and fatty acids in bar soap that are responsible for the majority of scum. 2. Keeping your shower unit or bathtub dry. If you have a bath, for instance, instead of leaving the bubbly deposits at the bottom of your tub, rinse them away and follow with a quick dry with a clean towel. This little bit of extra work will save a much bigger effort in the future. 3. Installing a showerhead water softener. Admittedly, this is only a little niche, but soap scum is so much worse than water with high hardness. Soft water lathers better with soap and doesn't leave limescale deposits, which soap scum may stick to. 4. Using a daily cleaning product, because little and often proves far more effective than lots and rarely. The best way to keep your tub sparkling clean at all times is to commit to a cleaning schedule. So there you have it. There really is no reason to buy the most expensive quick-fix chemical cleaner to tackle your soap scum stains in your shower or bath. Most likely, you have the equipment and ingredients you need for the job in your own kitchen cupboards right at this moment. Just make sure to tackle your cleaning with caution and don't go too over the top with your formulas. A little goes a long way in all instances. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean grout using hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and vinegar. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.